Hey,
How you doing, sir?
I'm all right. How are you doing?
Super nice.
Good,
Super right.
good.
You ready for the game today?
Oh yes, I'm ready.
What do you think is gonna happen?
We're gonna beat the Longhorns. It is written because we are the. Actually, I have the thing on my phone. It said, OSU is the real dad of Texas.
$1 million, man. How you doing, boss?
Hey,
How you doing, sir?
I'm all right. How are you doing?
Super nice.
Good,
Super right.
good.
You ready for the game today?
Oh yes, I'm ready.
What do you think is gonna happen?
We're gonna beat the Longhorns. It is written because we are the. Actually, I have the thing on my phone. It said, OSU is the real dad of Texas. Oh yes.
Yeah, where you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Come on, man. You Yoruba? Or...
I'm Yoruba.
Oh, how you doing, sir?
I'm Dyalla.
You speak Yoruba?
Yeah, I speak Yoruba.
Ekaro.
Shalafiani.
Very funny. I'm in Nigerian too.
Yeah, from the east.
Oh, from west, because I was born in Lagos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually,
but I'm from Osun State.
Okay, my daughter is married to an Igbo person.
Wow.
Actually, she graduated from OSU.
OSU?
I have two daughters who graduated from OSU.
Wow.
Yeah,
wow.
my oldest one, my second one ran track for OSU.
OSU?
Yeah.
Wow.
Actually, they came for the Texas Tech game.
Okay.
You know, her husband is the Longhorn.
Wow.
Her husband is the Longhorn. But, you know.
That's funny. That's
Yes.
funny. Nice. I'm happy to meet you.
Nice to
today,
meet you.
sir.
I've been in Oklahoma in 1977.
Wow.
I came to Stillwater from Lagos to Stillwater.
Oh, really?
Oh yes.
So I was living in Stillwater though, because I came in, I'm like, it's
Actually,
this is a little bit country.
After a year here, I don't like it. I left Michigan, then Chicago. My mom came to meet me in Chicago. She said, no, you need to go back to Stillwater. Because she came here in 77
Yeah.
to come and check on me.
Wow.
The first time I left home. So she came. After she came, she loved Stillwater.
Wow.
So she said, no, go back to Stillwater. When you finish, you can go anywhere you want. I'm still here.
Wow. But as things really change, environment.
Oh my God, yes. Because back then, when I came, there was no public transportation.
Oh.
There is no taxi.
So you have to drive.
So if you can't drive, most of the international students we just walk around.
Walk around. Wow.
To go to the grocery store.
Wow.
You just walk. You just carry your stuff, your bags, and Oh yes.
How was your experience in OSU?
Oh my God, I love Stillwater. I love OSU.
Wow.
I love OSU.
Can you still remember some of those things that happened to you during those days?
Oh, of course.
Wow.
I mean, it's tremendous. And what I enjoy the most, the students.
The student.
They're also always very helpful. They say, "Oh, you are a foreign student, yes? Okay, come on, let me show you this, let me show you that." I mean, they're always very helpful. And of course, kids will be kids.
Yeah.
All the pranks
Yeah.
that if we were even in Nigeria, we're going to do the same pranks.
Yeah.
They will still do the pranks. So
And you know one thing I noticed when I came here, because I'm an OU fan, right? But I was like, let me just come here because yes, sir, to support. But people here, I might change my mind now because people here, they're very friendly. The students are very compared to OU. Because OU,
you know what's funny? I've been when I came here, we were in the Big 8.
Okay.
The Big 8, then we became Big 12.
Big 12, yeah.
So I've been to every campus.
Okay.
From when Colorado used to be here, Colorado, Nebraska, Missouri, when they used to be in the conference.
Yeah.
I've been to all of the campuses.
Wow.
Because I go to the home and away games.
wow.
Up to now.
Man, you're such a big fan.
Like I said, I'm an OSU fan. I remember the days we used to only win 3 games, but I still go home and away.
Wow.
actually,
It's like your college day was very.
that's my
was
brother.
fun. Wow.
Ask him where is his son going to school.
Where? OU?
Right here.
Right here.
OSU.
You convinced him?
No,
Why not OU?
Why not OU?
Yeah.
That's his choice. He's a cowboy.
He's a cowboy.
You're right.
He grew up a cowboy.
I kind of like OSU. The students very nice.
Yeah,
And they're very one of
that much
I'm
they're
like,
much
wow,
laid
this is
back.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
You going to the game or you watching
Oh
it?
no, I'm going to the game.
No.
Like and subscribe to TM Universities. See you on the next one.